Because so many people missed out Monday.
What was that?
I know how the marker's like right there.
I seen it.
Wrong one.
Like,
It's purple.
hi guys,
Good talk.
welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh,
Hi, welcome to Daisy's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the first thing I'm going to do here? Yes.
Yeah.
Put in information.
I did not understand.
Oh.
What's the A?
2.
2x.
What's the B?
1.
Why?
1.
What's the C?
1. Negative 3. Negative 3. Negative.
Okay, what do I need to do this now?
Put information.
Okay, how do I do that?
Minus 2x squared and plus minus.
Stop it.
Y equals 2x squared,
No.
negative 2x.
No.
Are we ready to go now?
Yes.
So that automatically.
Really?
Okay, so what am I going to do now?
The table.
Very good. What's my X's?
-2, -1, 2, 2,
Yep.
1.
You're in high school? Good talk. Okay, what am I going to do now? Substitute, right? That's a negative by a negative.
Positive.
Positive multiplied by a negative turns it negative. What's my Y?
Oh, shoot, this is easy.
Any questions?
Is 13.
Wait. Yeah.
Let it go negative 1 now. I wish there was a faster way.
I mean, positive.
This is all positive 1, right? Negative by a negative. But this stays negative 2, negative 1, negative 3. Negative 6, negative 1.
I see. Next one.
0 is the one we like, right?
Yeah. It's -2.
That's right. Do I need to do anything?
No.
Nope.
Wait, did you do negative 1 twice?
No, this is the math. I just wrote it up here because I'm trying to put the order pairs next to each other for common difference. Okay, what now?
There, 1.
1. So, negative 1, negative 3, negative 4, right?
So what?
1 and 1, that's 1 times negative 2, negative 2. Stays positive 1, comes down negative 3.
Okay.
Negative 2 plus 1, negative 1. Plus negative 3, negative 4. Okay, last one. 2.
-9.
4, 2, negative 8. Plus 2, minus 3. Negative 6, 3, negative 9. 2. Here we have our y's, right? And we have our x's. Now what do I do? Yep. What does it take to get to 13 to 6?
+7.
And 6 to negative 3?
That's 3.
3 to negative 4?
Negative 1.
And 4 to 9?
Negative 5.
Oh, whoops. Sorry. Okay, second difference. 7 to 3?
4.
Minus 4?
Yeah.
3 to 1?
Minus 4.
1 to negative 5?
Minus 1.
Is it quadratic?
Yes.
Yes, second common difference, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do I need to do now?
Graphic.
Yep. Okay. Negative 2. Oh, I have enough. Stop cursing. Okay, 13 negative 2. Negative 1 6. Zero negative 3. 1 negative 4. Oh, there's the turn. And then 2 negative 9. Okay? There's our line. What do I need to do now?
Vertex and maximum.
Okay, what's my vertex?
And then your max is negative 3.
It's always the what of the ordered pair.
Why?
Where's the parabola?
The determinant.
Very good. That's it, right? That is a very good representation of the problems that are going to be on the test. Okay? We should be fast at this point. We've done it for 4 days. Okay, let's talk about this. Order of operations in the middle, right? You got to solve for the exponent first. That's a negative by a negative because it's in parentheses, turns positive. And then we do left to right, addition and subtraction after our multiplication is done. We know what our x's are. Where do these come from? Where do these come from? How do we come up with these? How do we come up with these? Well, if you don't have domain, what are you going to use? If you have no x's, what are you going to use?
Negative 2, negative 1, 2.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. You need to make sure you know that. Okay, so we substitute for x within the formula. The first thing we have to do is get it in this format, right? And then we list everything. What is my a in this case?
2.
And my b is?
1.
And the c is? Okay. So are we done with this one?
Yes.
We're done. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, what do I need to do this equation?
Put it in self form.
Nope.
No?
No,
Put it in the format.
Which is what?
Ax2 plus bx plus c.
Okay, so what do I do to do that?
You make the negative, you plus negative 2 on the other side.
Yes.
We're starting a new one. You look at that.
You're welcome.
No,
Well, that will be.
we need to go slower.
I literally can't go any slower for us to get through this. Okay, any questions on this so far? Now I'm going to list the A, B, and C. What's my A?
3,
What's my B?
1,
What's my C?
2.
Good. So far, does it look quadratic?
Yes.
Yeah, so far it does. Would it still be quadratic if we didn't have the 2?
No. Yeah, I'm still quadratic.
What about the x? What if it was just 3x2?
Yes.
Yes. most important thing is you can't have A, B, and C equal all to 0. And you have to have x to the power of 2. Because you have to have the x curve. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working on the table. What am I going to plug in for my domain? Good. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna enter it in there. So we're gonna be 3, -2, 2, plus -2, plus 2. We're gonna solve inside here. That's gonna be a positive. -2 times -2, which is what?
4.
Good. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12. Run out of space. -2 plus 2. So that's 10, 2. What's my y? 12 minus 2, 10, plus 2, 12. We have our first ordered pair. Then I'm going to use -1.
No.
Okay, -1. Well, that's what's getting in the way. Put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. Thank you. -1 times -1. +1 times 3. That's all 3. Minus 2 plus 2. This was kind of easy, right?
3.
3 minus 2. 1 plus 2. 3. Second ordered pair. 0. Isn't 0 real easy to do?
Plus 2.
Yep. No math, right? Do I need to go over this with any of you? What's anything times 0? So I don't even need to do these, do I? Nope. Okay, 1.
6.
6. 3 plus 1 plus 2.
Oh, yeah.
Almost done. We're almost there. Okay, 2. So 2 and 2, 4, 12. 12 plus 2 plus 2. 16. We have ordered pairs, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we can look at the common difference.
Minus 9.
Minus 9.
I don't know.
3 to 2 minus 1. 2 to 6 plus 3. 6 to 16 plus 10.
Plus 4.
16. 6 to 10 plus 10.
2 and 6 is 4.
2 is 4.
Oh, sorry about that. Wow.
You good? It don't look like it's gonna have the same.
Well, we're not concerned about that, are we? We go through the math.
What?
What's 9 to -1?
Plus 8.
And what's -1 to +4?
Plus 5.
And 4 to 10?
Plus 6.
Plus 6.
This is a linear.
Well, no, it's definitely not linear because we don't have the same common difference here. And the second common difference isn't the same either, is it?
No.
So is this quadratic?
No.
No. Let's go ahead and graph it out and see what happens. -2 and 12. -1 and 3. 0 and 2. Wow. 1 and 6. This one's trippy. 1 and 6. And 2 and 16. So this line isn't even linear, is it? Because it's not even straight because the slopes are all different here. You have a big gap in between these. So we're going to write, no, it's not quadratic, and why? What's the reason?
It doesn't count. I'll say common difference.
Okay. Any questions on that one? We need this, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
And the line never curved around. So I would take that. Maybe say no, it has no parabola. Okay, any questions on that one? Daisy, you don't want to check out.
You're not gonna put the vertex?
There is no vertex. And there's no maximum minimum, is there?
No.
Daisy, you really want to pay attention, girl. You're going to regret it. Okay, what do I need to do to this first?
I don't get it.
Plus minus x.
Then you have to plug in.
I'm trying, but I still don't get it.
Minus x plus y. And plus
Okay, watch every single step that I do, okay? We need this in y equals ax2 plus bx plus c. That's the formula, okay? So that means we need to deal with this right here, right? So we have to subtract the x to start to the other side. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to rewrite it. Negative y equals 2x2 minus x plus 4. Now I have to divide it by negative 1, right? All this by negative 1. So y equals negative 2x2 plus x minus 4. Any questions?
No.
Okay, next. What are my x's?
-2.
Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. That's set, right? I'm going to go insert it into here. So I'm going to replace every single x, the two x's, with negative 2. Any questions? Now simple order of operations, right? That's in parentheses, negative times a negative, it's positive. Okay? So that's negative 2 times 4. Minus 2 minus 4. So now minus 8, minus 2, minus 4. That's what's going to equal to y.
Negative 14.
Negative 14. We have our first ordered pair. I'm going to run out of room on this one, but that's okay. Okay, negative 1 now, right? Then I'm going to solve. That's positive 1, negative 2. That's all negative 2. Negative 1, negative 4. What's my y?
-7.
Yes.
-4.
Okay, 0, right?
-4.
No math, right? All this doesn't matter. We just focus on this because anything times 0 is 0. So negative 4. We have our next ordered pair. 2 more and we're done. 1 times 1, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1, negative 4.
-5.
Negative 1, negative 4, negative 5. Any questions? Okay, last one, right? Plug in our 2.
Excuse me.
2 times 2 is 4. Negative 2, negative 8,
-10.
plus 10, minus 4. 6, negative 6, negative 4, negative 6. We're done,
What?
right?
Wait, explain that.
Negative, what's negative 6 and negative 4?
It's 10.
Oh, shoot.
You okay, Peters?
It's just, I think what I did is it was negative 6 and that, yeah, good talk. Okay, what do we do now?
Plus
Graph.
No. They're going to be
Oh.
Excuse me. What's this?
+7. +3. 1 minus 5. Nothing.
Okay, second common difference.
Plus 4. Plus 4.
Not plus.
Minus.
Is this quadratic?
Yes.
Yes. Daisy, okay? Where did I lose you?
I get it.
Okay. All right, now we're going to go graph it out, right? So negative 2 and 14. I don't know if this is big enough.
You were not ready for this, huh?
You know what? I left them up thinking, I'm good. Clearly not.
Clearly not.
Okay, negative 2 and 14. Negative 1, negative 7. 0, negative 4. There's our turn. 1, negative 5. And 2 and negative 10. Okay, what's my vertex?
0.
What's my y?
0, negative 4.
Yes. 0, negative 4.
Negative 4 is your maximum.
Maximum. Why is it maximum?
Because
Yeah. Daisy, okay? Maximum going down, minimum going up, and it's always the y. Where's the parabola?
it's your
Right. What the vertex is? 4, negative 4. Okay. That's it. Very good example of the way the test is going to be. Okay? Okay. Let me be crystal clear on this. Let me see everybody's eyeballs. Is this due now crazy important?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Is this one ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Is this one ready to go?
No.
No? What about this one?
No.
Just got to rearrange this, right?
Yes.
So get these all equal to y first. Do them all exact same way. Do your A, B, C, do your table, graph them out, do the vertex, do the minimum maximum, okay? This is very good practice for the test. Make sure you do this. If you don't have enough time in class, bring it in tomorrow done, okay? You will be very thankful that you did it. Very thankful. Okay,
Very.
Daisy.
I need help.
Very thankful, Daisy. Daisy. Okay,
Sign off the video, Daisy.
good talk.
Daisy, sign off the video.
Daisy.
I'm going.
Can you do the rest of yours?
Bye. Come back tomorrow and subscribe to my channel.